How's it going? Welcome to KraftingKars. Today we got the sheetrock in. So we got the sheetrock to do the ceiling. So I got 2 sheets here. That's gonna go up in that corner over there. And I've got all this 5/8 fireproof rated sheetrock 4x12, and that's gonna do the ceiling. So that's gonna be the project for this weekend. And the garage has kind of gotten away from me. As you can see, still have the liner out from the rabbit, and the workbench is more of a work pile than a bench. But we are going to, well, I'm going to start busting this stuff out, clearing everything out, and hopefully taking the garage back and getting it prepped for all the sheetrock to go up on the ceiling, and that should help out a bunch. I'm stoked. Hope you guys are stoked. Tag along and let's get this done. How's it going, guys? So, forgot to start recording. We're sheetrocking the garage today. As you can see, there's all the sheetrock. We got the nice hoist here. These are 4x12 sheets of sheetrock. Got everything there. We already, as you can see, got a couple. We got one here, one here. Here's this one. Got everything cut out there. Got a couple buddies helping. And yeah, we're just gonna keep going, keep rocking it out. Yeah, we're gonna keep sheetrocking it out. So here we go. Coming at you from a couple days in the future. We finished everything up. You might have noticed there's a little bit of a shift change here as far as people helping out, but in the end we got it done. It was a 2-team job. All the sheetrock's done. The garages are all hooked back up and functioning properly and everything. It worked out slick and great, and we have everything back in here now. It's really nice because there's a lot of snow out there, so it's good to have all the cars back in the garage. We got the rabbit. Changed up the setup. We were going to have my buddy Civic over here, but we decided that since we aren't going to be doing very much work on the car, it's going to be better to have a nice little work area to put the engine together and everything. We have the BRZ stuffed in the corner. We got some projects coming for this over the winter and in the future, so we left this in a good place where we can still work on it. And then over here is where we're going to end up building and putting together the motor for the Civic. And then when it's time to get the Civic, the motor into the Civic, we can still pull it in and get it done. So we got videos of the Civic coming. We got more videos of the BRZ coming. We finally put the rabbit back together now that it's back in the garage. Put the roof liner back in. So all in all, real happy how everything turned out. Everything's got a home again. And yeah, so stay tuned. Glad you guys tagged along for the rest of the garage being put back together for the winter time. And yeah, tag along for the next new project. KraftingKars, we're always doing something new. So stay tuned. Appreciate you watching, and see you next time.